Almighty, grant victory to the oppressed wherever they are. Those who have been driven out of their homes or wronged in any way. Grant ease to those who are struggling. Strengthen the weak and downtrodden. You know best who they are and where they are. Every one of them. Amin. Take ownership of your life. Be accountable for everything that happens. Everything. Not just the good things. Remember, when things are going well, it's easy. It's all good and smooth sailing. The real test is when you're facing trials. How you respond then, shows the real you. Those who are jealous of you will always tell you don't bother doing certain things because you aren't good enough. Ignore them. The Almighty has fully equipped you and empowered you to overcome whatever needs to be done. Don't let such comments set you back. Keep moving forward. Don't be frustrated by people's criticisms and comments. If they're constructive, you can learn from them. Otherwise, treat them as just noise. Don't let it affect you and the good work that you do. Remember, your job is to please the Almighty. Don't give others any attention. If your life is not heading in the direction that you want, it's time to change your outlook towards things. Perspective is important. Instead of looking at everyone else as the problem, look inside yourself. Identify your shortcomings and start working on them constructively. Many people love to complain. Nothing is good enough for them. They're never short of topics or issues to nitpick. There's always something wrong or not good enough. They often have a poor mindset and are filled with negativity. Don't allow them to distract you from your focus. Don't be consumed by materialism. The trouble is you'll never have enough. As a result, you can be easily controlled by those who are wealthy and have a lot to offer. Stop comparing yourself with others. Learn to be content and remember, material things will not make you happy. Remember, there's no problem that cannot be solved or resolved. Life throws us curveballs on occasions, and more often than not, what we worry about is not even important in the long term. Always seek guidance and strength from the one who is the answer to all our problems. Don't curse a bad experience or tragedy that happened in your life. Remember, everything is designed by the Almighty so you can learn life lessons and move forward readily. The best thing you can do is to embrace it and put it to good use. He only wants the best for you. Remember, those who are hurting are at times the ones who hurt others as a result of their own pain. They struggle to cope with their hurt and end up inflicting their anger or resentment towards others. So don't retaliate. Stay calm and help them if you can, or stay away from them. What's going on in your life is exactly as the Almighty had planned it. Your job is to trust the journey. You may not understand it, but let no one talk you out of it or discourage you. You don't need a cheering squad to achieve your goals. Seek your strength from Him.